Yo, what's up everyone, it's Big and let's talk cybersecurity. You ever feel like the internet's this wild west, right? Every 39 seconds someone gets hacked, that's crazy. But there's hope. We've got a new sheriff in town and its name is AI. Artificial intelligence is stepping up big time in cybersecurity, and it's only getting started. We're talking next level protection for your data, your devices, everything. And today, we're diving deep into how AI is changing the game. So buckle up because this is some serious tech that's going to impact all of us. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get to the AI part, let's break down what cybersecurity actually is. Think of it like this. It's a digital bodyguard for all your stuff online. Your photos, your passwords, your bank info. Cybersecurity makes sure all that stays locked down, safe from the bad guys. It's like having a super strong lock on your treasure chest. Only you have the key, and cybersecurity makes sure no one else can even get close to picking the lock, no matter how hard they try. But here's the thing. Hackers are always finding new ways to break in. They're like tech ninjas, always trying to find a crack in your defenses. That's where AI comes in. AI is like having a superpowered detective on your side, constantly watching for anything suspicious. Imagine Sherlock Holmes, but way faster and even more observant. That's AI in cybersecurity. It can analyze massive amounts of data looking for patterns and anomalies that humans might miss. Let's say someone's trying to crack your password. They keep guessing over and over hundreds of times. A human might not notice that, but AI, it sees it instantly. It knows that kind of behavior is a huge red flag and it takes action. Locks down your account, sends you an alert, whatever it takes to keep you safe. It's like having an invisible force field around your data. Hackers try to get through, but AI sees them coming a mile away and shuts them down. Ever get those shady emails? The ones that look like they're from your bank or a store you shop at asking for your password? Those are phishing attacks, and they're designed to trick you into giving up your info. But AI can spot these scams a mile away. It analyzes the email's content, the sender, everything. It can tell if the wording is off, if the links are sketchy, all the little details that scream fake. And the best part? It can often block these phishing emails before they even reach your inbox. Think of it like this. AI is like that friend who can spot a fake ID from across the room. It knows what to look for, so you don't have to. Here's what blows my mind about AI and cybersecurity. It never stops learning. Every time it encounters a new threat, it analyzes it, adapts, and gets even better at stopping those attacks in the future. It's like a self-upgrading security system that's constantly one step ahead of the bad guys. Imagine a guard dog that not only protects your house but also learns from every intruder it encounters. That's AI in action. It's constantly evolving, getting smarter and more effective every single day. And that's crucial because the world of cybersecurity is constantly changing. New threats emerge all the time, so having an AI that can keep up is absolutely. The hackers are ready to pounce. So yeah, AI is totally changing the game in cybersecurity. It's like having a whole team of digital superheroes working around the clock to keep us safe online. But it's not a set it and forget it kind of thing. We gotta keep pushing the boundaries, developing even smarter AI to stay ahead of the hackers. Because the fight for online security, that's never truly over. But with AI on our side, I'm feeling optimistic. What do you guys think? Can AI make us 100% secure online, or is that just a pipe dream? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech deep dives. Peace out.